Sahih Al-Bukhari 3232, narrated Abu Ishaq Ash-Shabani radiyallahu ta'ala anha. I asked Zayd bin Ubaysh radiyallahu ta'ala anha regarding the statement of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and was at a distance of but 2 lengths or even nearer. So did Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala convey the inspiration to his slave Jabriel alaihi salam, and then Jabriel alaihi salam conveyed that to Muhammad sallallaho alaihi wasallam. 53.910. On that there said, Ibn Mas'ud radiyallahu ta'ala anha informed us that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam had seen Jabriel alaihi salam having 600 wings. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3233, narrated Abdullah radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Regarding the verse, indeed he Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam did see of the signs of his Lord the greatest. 53.18. That the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam had seen a green carpet spread all over the horizon of the sky. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3234, narrated Aisha radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Whoever claimed that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, saw his Lord, he is committing a great fault, for he only saw Jabriel alaihi salam in his genuine shape, in which he was created, covering the whole horizon. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3235, narrated Masruq radiyallahu ta'ala anha. I asked Aisha radiyallahu ta'ala anha what about his statement. Then Jibreel alayhi salam approached and came closer and was at a distance of but 2 lengths or even nearer. 53.89. She replied, it was Jibreel alayhi salam who used to come to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the figure of a man, but on that occasion he came in his actual and real figure, and he was so huge that he covered the whole horizon. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.